Hello guys, today we read our NCERT book chapter 1 class 10 science topic chemical reaction and equations. What is chemical reactions? It is a process in which one or more substances formed a new substances and it cannot be reversed by a physical method. Physical method means distillations, filtrations and evaporation etc. But chemical reactions involves what is the chemical reactions? Now change in state, change in color, and change in temperature. Then we call it is a chemical reactions. But second, it happen in our daily life. Chemical reactions are going happen in our daily life, like as one digestive of our food, second roasting of irons, and third respirations, like this. In these chemical reactions, there are two parts. One is reactants, another is products. Reactants are right in the left sides and products right in the right sides. So, what is reactant? Now, who take the part in chemical reaction? Chemical reaction रे जे अंशग्रहण करे part that is called a reactants, and it may be one or more than reactants used in a chemical reactions. And what is product? What gives in equation is that is called product, and the substance who are formed in a chemical reactions. Chemical reaction ही सरला परे जोड़ा तैयारी बाहरे ताको हमें product बोली कही था. Example that is given in your book. When magnesium ribbon born in air means oxygen, gives us magnesium oxide. Like magnesium plus oxygen gives us 2NO. So it is a magnesium, but it is an unbalanced equation. Later I will teach you how to balance the chemical equation. So chemical equations, next point. Chemical reactions can be represented by chemical equations. It involves uses of symbols of substance of a reactant and product with mention of a physical state. So there are four physical states are there. Just like this: solid symbol as S, liquid symbol as L, gas as G, and aqueous as AQ. So there are five types of chemical reactions. One is your combination reactions. Second is your decomposition reactions. Third is your displacement reactions. And fourth is your double displacement reactions. And last one is your oxidation reactions. So now this what is the combination of reactions? The reactions in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Like as A plus B. Suppose they are reactant A plus B and they give us product AB. Already I have told you the reaction in which two or more reactant, two or more, maybe or C, and gives us ABC. That is it is a product. It is a product of the reactants. So it is a combination reactions. Example: burning of coal. Like this, coal, carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. And mention the state also. Carbon is a solid, oxygen also a gas, and it gives us a carbon dioxide also a gas. Second one, decomposition reactions. It is just reversible of the your combination reactions. And in these reactions, compounds splits into two or more substances, each called decomposition reactions. I write here in shortcut method D dot R reactions. So A gives us B plus C, or you can write AB product gives us A plus B. Splits into means A plus B. Two or more substance. This is the two substance. Each called decomposition reactions. And this decomposition reactions are three types. One is your thermal decomposition, another one is your electrolytic decomposition, and third is your photolysis decompositions. What is thermal decomposition? When decomposition is carried out by heating, this is called thermal decomposition reactions. But calcium carbonate, symbol of marble, is a solid. When you give a heat, I have told you, by heating, so in presence of heat gives us calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is a solid and it is a gas. Second, electrolytic decomposition reactions. When decomposition is carried out by passing electricity, just you have to remember this point only. By heating, by passing electricity, another one is in presence of sunlight. So passing electricity is called electrolytic decompositions. Example, water, H2O, liquid. Passing electric current gives us H2 gas and O2 gas. Third one, photolysis of decomposition. When decomposition is carried out in presence of sunlight, mind it. Look at this main point, sunlight. Example, AgCl, silver chloride, is solid in presence of sunlight, gives us Ag, silver, solid, plus chlorine gives us also, it is a solid, gives us. So all these are thermal decomposition reactions, these three are. And above all reactions is used in a black and white photography. Before we used washing the wheel, as you got your photo, black and white photo, and this photography they are using AgCl. Okay. And third one, your displacement reactions. What is displacement? Now, when the reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive elements from its solutions. Example, ferrous plus copper sulfate gives us, I have told you, displace the less reactive element. Ferrous is a less reactive element, suppose, and it combines with copper sulfate. It is a plus, and copper is also here plus, SO4 is minus, and it will be interchanged to it. FeSO4, ferrous sulfate aqueous solutions with plus copper. And also it is given this diagram in your NCERT book, activity 1.8, section B. And double displacement reactions. A reaction in which new compounds are formed by mutual exchange of ions between two components. Exchange of ion in between two components. Example, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, with barium chloride gives us barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Na2 is plus, SO4 minus, Ba is plus, Cl2 is minus, and also it gives us Na2 changes to Cl2, and SO4 also comes with barium. That is, I have told you what they have the ion in between two compounds. Changes, mutual exchange of ions gives us barium sulfates plus 2NaCl, sodium chloride, aqueous solutions. So remaining part of your oxidation reductions and how to solve your chemical equations and corrosion and rancidity, I will teach you next video. Thank you.